We saw that partners contribute capital, they share the profits that is made by the business of the firm or contribute towards the loss. They may have drawings or salary, remuneration from the firm. Also, they may get an interest on their capital or may be charged an interest on their drawings. All these are some transactions that the partners have with the firm. Let us see how these transactions between the partners and the partnership firm is recorded or accounted. All the transactions between the partners and the firm are recorded in the books of the firm through an account called as partners capital account. This account includes all transactions wherein money has either flown from the firm to the partner or vice versa, like contribution of capital, withdrawal of the same, share of profit, interest on capital or drawings, salary to partners, commission to partners, etc. Let us now look at how the capital accounts are maintained. There are two ways, or say two methods, in which partners' capital accounts are maintained. One is the fixed capital method, and the other is the fluctuating capital method. The basic difference in these two methods is on the basis of how the transactions other than addition or withdrawal of capital are recorded. So you have to see whether the transactions other than addition and withdrawal of capital, that is drawings, interest on capital, interest on drawings, or partner's salary, whether such transactions are recorded in the capital account or in a separate account in order to determine whether the capital account of partners are maintained by fixed capital method or fluctuating capital method. To understand more about these methods, let us look at the differences between these methods so that we can get a fair idea about how each method works. So now let us look at how fixed capital method is different from fluctuating capital method. The first basis on which we can differentiate is the number of accounts maintained under both the methods. Under the fixed capital method, two separate accounts are maintained for each partner, that is, a capital account and a current account. Whereas under the fluctuating capital method, only one account is maintained for each partner, that is, the partner's capital account. The next basis of differentiation is on whether certain adjustments are made in the current account or capital account. Under the fixed capital method, all the adjustments for transactions like drawings, salary, interest on capital and drawing are made in the partner's current account, whereas under the fluctuating capital method, these adjustments are made in the partner's capital account itself. The third basis of differentiation is whether the capital account balance remains fixed or whether it fluctuates. Under the fixed capital method, the capital account balance remains fixed unless there is a contribution of additional capital or withdrawal of capital. Under the fluctuating capital method, the balance in the capital account fluctuates from year to year. The fourth basis of differentiation is whether the partner's capital accounts hold a credit or debit balance. Under the fixed capital method, the capital account will always show a credit balance, whereas under the fluctuating capital method, the capital account may either show a credit balance or a debit balance, depending upon the adjustments that have been effected in the capital account. So these are the differences between the two methods of maintaining capital accounts of partners.